So I've been hearing a lot about OTS tunes and a lot about the fact that if you have an OTS tune, you will blow up your engine. Now, Cobb does have those theories where people are like, oh yeah, I've blown up my engine with this, or I had ringland failure, or maybe with my model, the FA20, DIT, turbo, whatever. With my model, people have experienced their rods snapping and exploding and stuff like that. Now, there are many theories and many things that people have experienced with modifying their Subarus. Now, I have the Stage 1 Plus, basically, Stage 1 Plus on my Subaru, and I haven't experienced problems with it so far. I would have to say though, when I first put on the intake, I didn't put it on correctly, and I did have to move around the intake filter, move around that, and I believe that's where I was getting a little bit of problems with the AF numbers. Since I fixed that positioning and how it fits, I haven't had any issues with my intake. Now that's some quality stuff. Now Cobb does make some quality parts. But you know, if you're a Subi guy like me, dude, got my vape, my Stage 2, dude, freaking got my bigger top mount intercooler. I'm just kidding. That's all just a joke. If you are like me and you like modifying your Subaru and you like doing all that crazy stuff that the dealership doesn't want you to do, and you know that it's never gonna happen because it's not gonna stay stock is what I'm trying to say. God, like many other Subaru owners out there, we freaking love modifying our Subarus. We like making it sound cool, make cool turbo noises, and do all this crazy stuff. Now, this Cobb intake, the heat shield, or like the stealth box, it's really nice. It comes with this like rhino line texture to it, and the box is super cool. It makes the engine bay just look that much nicer. So the intake makes some cool noises. Freaking, it's awesome. My OTS map tune, Stage 1 Plus, low wastegate, 91 octane. It's like I'm trying to say some puzzle or something. Cobb makes an OTS tune that goes with the Subaru, and I'm pretty sure every one of you guys watching this video knows that. But it's so simple. You just plug in the intake, and then you get the access port, and you just load up the Stage 1 Plus tune. And a lot of people say that their engines are gonna blow up and you're gonna have ringland failure. Now, I do have a Crawford air oil separator on my car to help with this thing called blow-by. Now that does help a lot, but I could still blow up my engine. Now, anyone could blow up their engine. You could blow up a Toyota engine if you want, and those engines last forever. And that's still possible. The number one thing that people experience when they blow up their engine, they're not checking their oil or what kind of oil they're using in their car. Oil. Make sure you're using the right oil and the oil levels are topped off the right recommended amount. And also, don't be driving like an asshole everywhere you go. If you drive like, oh, I own the road, and you're like, just driving like all crazy, and you're like, you know, like you're just driving all crazy, obviously your engine's gonna be like, stop. Like, I need a break time to time, and it's gonna give out, you know? Always check your oil temperature levels. I have mine right there. I have my oil there. I have the boost right there. So then I have the DAM and the AF and all the coolant temps and stuff in here displaying. But it's all driver error if you guys experience anything, you know? Yeah, there is lemons and whatever. That's honestly, it happens. Why is it mostly occurring in Subarus? Now, I have the Stage 1 Plus. I wait for my car to reach the optimal running temperature to even push it in positive numbers of boost. And I don't do first gear pulls out of every green light I go from. I don't bang through my gears everywhere I go. There's a time and place for everything you do. You know, it's not invincible, but it is a strong car. Now, it's just if you take care of your car, you should do your oil changes every 3,000 miles, and you should be driving around in a happy Subaru You just gotta take care of it. If you take care of it, it'll take care of you. If you're pushing it in the red line and whatever, you're putting it to its limit. It can handle that. People go to the track, bring their Subarus there all the time. But then again, there's supporting mods that you need. Be cautious when you put this part on, or even driving your car stock. Even if you have your car stock, you could still blow it up, you know? So just keep that in mind. It's all driver error when you do something with the car that makes it blow up. So I have my GoPro set up right there. It's feeding to my intake. I hope this works. All right, I'm gonna go to that audio real quick. All right. Now, I'm gonna drive around just a little bit to see if it works. Dipper. Oh! Here, I'll give you a downshift. I don't know if you can hear that at all. Here, I'll give you a little bit of revs. It's so fun to do. I don't know, like, usually I average like 20 something. Look at that, I'm 18.1. I average at least like a 25, 28 or so. Honestly, even in the city. Not with that intake, I don't. No way, dude. Is that caused by a sign, dude? Gosh, look at coastal views and boost noises. Okay. Oh my god, I freaking love this intake so much, guys. Like, look at that view. Just to let you know, I'm staying within the speed limit with everything I'm doing. It's all in the speed limit. See? Speed limit. Alright. Let's see how this handled. I'll keep the car on just so I can just pick up the audio. Oh, it stayed. Look at that. I just hope that it picked up all the audio and it's still recording. Healthy little motor right here with that AOS. Yeah, let's take this out real quick. That's literally what I did. Oh, I hope it picked up audio, please. Please, I'm begging you that you picked up audio. I'm gonna end the video here. Got my hood open, you know, it's kind of funny. But I hope you liked this video. I hope this video gave you somewhat more of a clear idea on how the intake is, how the OTS Tune is. Honestly, it's not all that bad. Just take care of your car. It will take care of you. Just be happy with, you know, what you got and with what you can get. I would say Pro Tunes are the way to go. It's mainly to make your car run at the optimal, like, performance it can do, but I would say I want to go more with the conservative tunes so it would protect my engine, not trying to go the hardest potential it could go at. I'm not trying to do that even if I do get a Pro Tune. Thanks for watching today's video. Get an intake, whether it's from Cobb or Grimspeed or any of those companies. I just went with Cobb because they have the OTS Tune. The only time I want to get a Pro Tune is when I get the downpipe. But other than that, I would say, guys, if you're gonna do the Stage 1 OTS Tune, you don't have much to worry about. Make sure it's put on correctly and that you take care of your car, but still do it at your own risk. Because, yeah, do it because you love it and you're passionate about it, but still do it at your own risk. Peace out. Till next time, follow my Instagram, follow my Snapchat, like this video, and share it with your friends. And buy an intake, honestly. Till next time, peace. Woo! Be positive.